In this example, we're going to determine the probability of having 2 boys in a 3-child family by using a tree diagram. So if you think about the first outcome, right, the first possibility of having in a 3-child family, we can either have a boy or a girl. And then that's actually going to be true for every single time that you have a child. So when you make the tree diagram, the sample space looks something like this. So again, this is you get pregnant and then you want to know, are you going to have a boy or a girl? Your chance is either a boy or a girl. So if your first child's a boy, right? If we had a boy the first time, what are the chances for our second child? Well, again, it's either a boy or a girl. If you had a girl first, well then again, still you could have either a boy or a girl. And that's true for all of these branches, right? So if you had a boy first, you could have a boy second, and you could have a boy third. So there is the likelihood or the chance that you could have 3 boys. Or you could have had a boy first, then another boy, and then had a girl. So a boy, and a girl. Maybe though you had a boy first, then you had a girl, then you had a boy. Boy, girl, boy. Or you had a boy first and then you had 2 girls. So these are all of the possible ways that you could have 3 kids if you had a boy first. You could have 3 boys, 2 boys and a girl, a boy, a girl, then a boy, or a boy and then 2 girls. Now, if you had a girl first, you could have a girl, and then you could have 2 boys. So you'd have a girl and 2 boys. Or you could have a girl, then you could have a boy, then you can have another girl, a boy, and another girl. Or you could have had 2 girls, then a boy, a girl, and a boy. Or you could have had all 3 girls, girl, girl, girl. So this right here is the sample space of having a 3-child family. So there are 8 different ways that you could have a 3-child family. So now what we're going to try and do is we want to know how many different ways is there to have 2 boys. Now when we're talking about having 2 boys, they mean exactly 2 boys. So not at least 2 boys. This is saying how many ways are there to have exactly 2 boys. So here we have 3 boys. Here we have 2 boys. Again, we have 2 boys here. We have a boy and 2 girls. We have a girl and 2 boys. 1 boy, and no boys. So our probability here, there are 3 different ways that this can happen. So our probability of having 2 boys, exactly 2 boys in a 3-child family, is 3 ways out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in our sample space. So this is the probability of having 2 boys from a 3-child family. And this is using a tree diagram.